वेलकम फ्रेंड्स, स्वागत है आपका मासा की क्लास में। इन कंटिन्यूशन टू सेट आज हम करेंगे प्रैक्टिकल प्रॉब्लम्स ऑन यूनियन एंड इंटरसेक्शन ऑफ सेट्स। सो वी विल स्टार्ट। लेट्स अज्यूम ए एंड बी आर फाइनाइट सेट्स। इफ ए इंटरसेक्शन बी इज अ नल set, then it is obvious from this Venn diagram, number of elements in A intersection B will be number of elements in A plus number of elements in B, as they don't have any common element in between them. Moving forward, in general, if A and B are finite set and has something in common, in case if in the intersection has something in common, then NA and A union B will be defined as NA plus NB minus the common part, which is A intersection B. We can understand this thing from Venn diagram. If this is A union B, then NA plus NB, and then one of the additional intersection B will be minus from that. So that will give you A union B. From above figure, A minus B, B minus A, and A union B are disjoint sets, and their union is A union B. It is pretty obvious. Moving ahead, number of sets in A union B will be defined as NA minus B plus NB minus A plus N B intersection A or A intersection B. It hardly matters how it has been written. And further it will be written, it is written as, we will add one NB intersection A and then we will minus NB intersection A to create a equilibrium in the equation. So once we will write it, it will become number of element of A, because NA minus B plus NBA, which is this portion, this one, this is NA, and this one will become this thing, NB, and intersection of this. So it is proved from this that this equation NA union B will be n number of elements in A plus number of elements in B minus intersection of elements of A and B. Moving ahead, when we have three sets, A, B, C are finite sets, then number of A union B union C is equal to number of A plus number of B plus number of C minus of intersection A union B minus intersection of B union C minus intersection of A union C, and then in addition intersection of A union B union C, which will be this part, this one, which is common to all three. How we will get this equation? So just moving on, and we will solve and get it out how we reach to this conclusion. From using this equation, NA union bracket B union C can be written as NA plus NB union C minus A intersection B union C, which is written here. Now by distribution law, we also know that A intersection B union C can be written as A intersection B union A intersection C. So number of elements of A intersection B union C can be written as N A union B plus N A intersection B minus, this is again using this second formula. It will be written as A number of elements of A union B intersection number of elements of A intersection C, which will further come out number of elements of A intersection B and number of elements of A intersection C minus, when this will be written using distribution law, it will become A intersection B intersection C. When we put these values into this, so we will get here. One thing I want to let you know, that we have we will put value of this over here, right? So we will get the value N A intersection B intersection C equals N A intersection B plus N A intersection C minus N A intersection B union C. So here it comes, and hence we will get this equation for the infinite sets in case if there are three sets. So here we end this video, and we'll come back with new video. In case if you have any confusion, please do write me in the comments. Thank you.